चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। आज की वीडियो होने वाली है हमारी वर्कशॉप कैलकुलेशन एंड साइंस की। इसमें हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 251 है, जो हमने आपसे पूछा था लेकिन किसी ने भी जवाब नहीं दिया, क्योंकि किसी ने शायद वीडियो देखी ही नहीं। चलिए तो हम ही इसका जवाब बताते हैं। क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाट इज द टोटल व्हाट इज द टोटल वोल्टेज। ये देखो, इसने बड़ी मिस्टेक कर रखी है। व्हाट इज द टोटल वोल्टेज इन द रूम इफ टू ट्यूब्स लाइट ऑफ 15 watts rating, two fans of 80 watts rating, two numbers of light points of 60 watt rating, one fan point of 60 watt rating, and one 3-pin socket of 100 watt rating. The right answer is option number C, 540 watts total. Next question. What is the total labor charges for a particular wiring work completed in 2 days by one electrician and one helper? Electrician at the rate 800 per day and helper 400 per day. The right answer is option number B, 2400. Next question. Question number 253. What is the total cost of painting of a classroom including ceiling if the size of length is 6 meter, width is 5 meter and height is 4 meter? Height is 4 meter. Painting plus labor cost rupees 150 per square meter. The right answer is option number C, 17,700. Next question. What is the total cost of assemble 10 personal computer system? Spares cost as given for one system. 1 TB hard disk rupees 445,000. Sorry. TB hard disk rupees 4,500. Intel i3 motherboard rupees 7,000. SMPS rupees 2,500. Monitor rupees 6,000. Keyboard 1,000. Other material cost, which is USB cable, etc., rupees 6,500. The right answer is option number A, 2,75,000. Next question. What is the total construction cost of a house construction area of 3,000 square feet? Cost of construction rupees 2,000 per square feet including material and labor. The right answer is option number B, 16 lakhs rupees. Next question. What is the total cost of air conditioners installed in a college? 40 classroom each, one air conditioner, computer lab, 5 air conditioner and reference hall, 5 air conditioner. Cost of one air conditioner rupees 30,000. The right answer is option number D, 15 lakh rupees. Next question. What is the total estimation cost for material if density is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube and material cost is rupees 240 per kg? The right answer is option number D, rupees 180. Next question. What is the estimation of labor charge? What is the estimation of labor charge for making inside square of size 30 by 30 mm? If making change rupees 500 by 10 centimeter square. The right answer is option number B is the right answer, 450 rupees. Next question. What are the two classification of system of unit? The right answer is option number C. Fundamental and derived. Next question. What are fundamental units? The right answer is option number B. Length, mass, time is the fundamental unit. Length, mass, and time. Next question. What denoted letter M in MKS system? The right answer is option number B. Meter. Next question. How many millimeters are there in 1 inches? The right answer is 25.4. Option number B is the right answer. What is LCM of 12, 18, 6 and 36? The right answer is option number C. Sorry. Option number C is the right answer. 36. Next question. What is the SCF of 18, 42, 24? The right answer is option number B. 6 is the SCF. SCF is highest common factor. Next question. What is the improper fraction for the given mixed fraction 7 3 by 7? 7 into 3 by 7. The right answer is option number A. 52 by 7. Next question. Convert decimal to fraction. The right answer is option number D. 659 by 1 lakh. Option number D is the right answer. 659 by 10 lakh. Next question. Simplify. The right answer is option number B. 9 by 10. Next question. Divide. The right answer is option number D. Next question. What is the product of 0.003 into 0.5? The right answer is option number B. 0.0015. Next question. Simplify. The right answer is option number D. Next question. What is the length of each part is copper wire of 20, 100 to 5 meter long is cut into 900 equal parts? The right answer is option number B. 0.25 meter. Next question. What is the square root of 529? The right answer is option number B. 23. Next question. What is the square root of 0.017? The right answer is option number B. 0.001. Next question. What is the what is the definition of ratio? The right answer is option number A. Relation of two quantities of the same kind. Next question. What is the ratio of 4 kg to 800 grams? The right answer is option number A. 5 ratio 1. Next question. What percentage of 18 is 20? 80 का 20% क्या होगा? The right answer is C. 25. Next question. How much is 8% of 40 kg? The right answer is option number B. 3.2 kg. Next question. Convert 52 percentage into fraction. The right answer is option number C. 13 by 25. Next question. Convert 0.456 decimal fraction into percentage. The right answer is option number A. Next question. What is the x value for x square plus 62 is equal to 102? 102. Next, the right answer is option number C, 8. Next question. What is the square root of decimal number 550.37? The right answer is option number D. What is the square root of decimal number 550.37? The right answer is option number D, 23.46. Next question. What is the value of, क्या लिख रखा है इन्होंने, 08? Next question. What is the side AB if AC 10 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, AC? The right answer is option number A, 8 centimeter. Next question. What is the side BC if AC 15 centimeter, AB 9 centimeter? The right answer is option number D, 12 centimeter. Next question. What is the value of side AC if AB is 7 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter? The right answer is option number B, 8.6 centimeter. Next question. What is the value of side AC if AB is 7 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter? The right answer is option number B, 8.6 centimeter. Next question. What is the length L2 if total length L is 2.75 meter and L1 ratio L2 is equal to 2.3 ratio? The right answer is option number C, 1.65 meter. Next question. How many days a machine takes to assemble 64 machines if he assemble 8 machines in 3 days? यदि एक मैकेनिक को 8 मशीनों को असेंबल करने में 3 दिन लगते हैं तो उसे 64 मशीनों को असेंबल करने में कितने दिन लगेंगे? द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, 24 days. Next question. What will be the RPM of smaller gear if a 180 mm dia meshes with 60 mm dia gear and the bigger gear makes 60 RPM? The right answer is option number D, 180 RPM. Next question. What is the percentage of copper if the casting weight of copper 42.3 kg and tin weight 2.7 kg? The right answer is option number B, CU 94 percentage. Next question. A motorcycle tire is sold for rupees 300. What is the purchase price if 25% profit is added to it? The right answer is option number C, 240. Next question. What is the decimal fraction of conversion of 18.5%? The right answer is option number A, 0.185. Next question. Which one is non-metal? The right answer is option number B, graphite is a non-metal. Next question. Which metal contains iron as a major content? The right answer is option number D, ferrous metal. Next question. What is the name of the metal which do not contain iron? The right answer is option number B, non-ferrous metal. Next question. Which one of the following properties is the mechanical properties of metal? The right answer is option number B, ductility. is the mechanical properties of metal. Next question. Which is brittle metal? The right answer is option number A. Cast iron is the brittle metal. Next question. Which mechanical property of a metal offers resistance to elastic deformation in a cutting tool? The right answer is option number C. हार्डनेस। धातु की कौन सी या यांत्रिक गुण एक काटने के उपकरण में लोचदार विरूपण के लिए प्रतिरोध करती है? हार्डनेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which property of materials unable to formation of permanent deformation without fracture? The right answer is option number B. Plasticity. Next question. Which property of metal has its power of returning to its original shape after the applied force is released? The right answer is option number C. Elasticity. Next question. Which property of metal passed by it melts when heat is applied? The right answer is option number C. Fusibility. Which property of metal processed by it melt यानी पिघलना when heat is applied जब गर्म किया जाता है तो वो क्या हो जाती है, पिघल जाती है या गल जाती है। तो इसका सही आंसर है फिसेबिलिटी। इस वीडियो में सिर्फ इतना ही, हमने 15 क्वेश्चन कर लिए हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम अगले 15 क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। और अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिए। इसी के साथ साथ अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आती है तो लाइक करिए, नहीं पसंद आती है डिसलाइक करिए। और हमारी वीडियो के बारे में आपको कुछ कहना हो या आपको कुछ पूछना हो तो कमेंट करिए। और दोस्तों के साथ देखनी है वीडियो तो शेयर कीजिए, दोस्तों की मदद करनी हो तो शेयर कीजिए। इसी के साथ साथ अगर आप हमारी और एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल, ड्राफ्टमैन, मैकेनिकल ट्रेड थ्योरी की वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं या फिर वर्कशॉप कैलकुलेशन एंड साइंस देखना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक पड़ी है, वहां से जाकर आप देख सकते हैं और ऊपर आई बटन पर से भी आप देख सकते हैं। इसी के साथ साथ अगर आपको किसी और टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए तो वो भी हम बना देंगे, आप कमेंट्स करिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।